Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to take a screenshot of a body tag in iPad. So in the previous video you would have seen this mobile screenshot. So I've used this device of iPhone X, so I got the resolution of mobile. In this video we'll see the resolution of an iPad taking a screenshot. Without any further ado, let us start the video. For that guys, let me add screenshot.js. That's it. So this is what we have to add, landscape. I'll copy the entire thing, iPad screenshot. I'll click on enter here. So test for iPad device body screenshot through Puppeteer. The device will be this. Let me copy that. So device, I have pasted it here. So instead of emulate mobile, I'll write iPad as this one. So I'll use the iPad here. So that's it. It is done. So only thing I have to do, I have to add this in package.json. I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. So now I'll run npm test. So now it should launch the browser and it should go to the resolution of an iPad. Then it should take a screenshot. It's launching the browser. Now it should emulate an iPad. Yep, we got the screenshot. And one more thing, we'll run once again. Instead of mobile body screenshot, I'll write iPad body screenshot. Let us run once again. Let the browser be launched. So let us take let it emulate iPad. Now it took the screenshot. So let me scroll down and let me see iPad body screenshot. So this is iPad version. So this one is mobile body. You can see the difference, right? iPad is this one, is mobile body, and this is iPad. The resolution is different. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.